guys, this is Buddy here, and today we're making slime. So here's the glow in the dark slime, as you see. Using those colors. Here's the clear glue, and let's get started. And
what else are we using, Maya? We're using
borax. This is the one we're using, and let's get started. You always need a parent to help you because this is very, very, very dangerous. Only glue you can only put it in. So let's get started with the glue.
ooh, sparkly glow in the dark glue, huh?
That makes more noise. This is really hard, but it's not as hard as you think this is.
All right. Ooh. You guys want to take a look at that glue?
Yeah.
It's so sparkly.
The slime is coming down.
We're almost there. We're almost there. Look, I got an idea.
What? Oh. Oh. How do you do that?
We're trying. We're trying. Almost done, guys.
It's like the pretty thump.
Oh, yeah.
That's it. That's
One more. All right. All right.
Put that over there. And what we have to do next? Comment
All right.
below. All right.
Next would be water. So you guys see? Pour all of that in there. And pour this entire cup as well. You see, look at the little cups.
It looks like
All right,
Just
and
the-
next, what else do we need? The borax, right, Maya?
a cup.
A little bit more. There we go. So you need half a teaspoon
Yeah, that's
of
what-
borax. And you have to mix it.
With what spoon?
That spoon.
Oh, yeah, guys. You're right.
Keep mixing it until it gets dissolved.
Yeah, until you see.
It's clear, yeah.
It's not pretty clear.
Yeah, you keep spilling out the water. There you go. And then with the clear glue, ooh, it's gonna be looking nice because we have all kinds of glitter. Look at that.
I'm thinking it's starting to get
Here,
like,
let's see.
I don't know. I still see some on the bottom.
There we go.
Guys, you're really good at mixing. Oh, I like the slime.
All right, it looks like it's clear. You guys see it's clear, right?
Mhm.
Only a little tiny bit, but that's okay. And you pour it in there, right?
How many?
I don't know. Try to see if, try pour another one in. Here, go ahead, dip it in there. All right, there you go. All right, guys.
And we
Now
have to
mix it with the spoon.
I hope this is
Ooh,
the
look at that, guys. Look.
slime. Yeah, guys, look at it.
Ooh, it's getting sticky.
Yeah.
Wow.
We gotta keep on mixing it for like a bunch of hours.
No, just a little while.
Yeah, just kidding, guys.
Is it slimy enough?
I thought it's sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky. Keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing.
Guys, do not smell that borax. I'll see what good. Tiny sip. Alright.
How's it going? Let's see. I think we might need a little bit more.
Yeah.
All right.
Mix it up.
Let's keep mixing.
Guys, if you need help, just ask your mom. Because this is really hard. You gotta do your holy hand inside a toothpaste.
Look at that.
It's not sticky anymore. Yeah,
All right. All right, you gotta keep playing with it.
I gotta play with it. I gotta play with it. Get it, 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 get it. It's kind of not getting crunchy, so I really have to get all of this one that we're missing.
Wow.
Look how pretty it is.
Ooh,
You can
it's
see
so
the sparkle.
sparkly.
We don't need glitter for this one because we already have glitter.
And you guys want to know what the best part is?
Yeah.
It glows.
In the dark.
Yeah.
Ah.
So we're gonna see once we have it. I'll get a little bit more. Yeah, keep playing with it. Keep playing with it.
What do you think they're doing? Good.
Ooh.
Gotta get any slime who's stuck.
Yeah, get it unstuck.
So we can like put in the slime.
Ooh. Look at that, guys.
It looks like hair.
Oh, here. Let me see. Yeah, kind of does, but it's not.
It's not hair?
No, it's just part of the glue.
Oh.
Look at that. You see that?
Look.
I told you.
Look at it, guys.
Ooh, sticky slime.
This is not sticky. Sometimes you could put the slime inside there, and you can sneak slime inside your skull.
Yeah, they're gonna think it's glue.
Yeah. Some teachers have slime.
They do.
Sometimes they think that they teach stuff too. I've seen those things. Oh, that looks like this almost done. Dipping, dipping, dipping.
Let's see.
Look at it. It's how this
Wow.
getting bubbly.
All right. We got slime, guys. Look at it.
All right, guys. We'll see how the glows in the dark.
All right, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
All right.
Okay, let's give us a minute. You stay right there. Point. Let's see it. Let's see it. All right, guys.
Guys, this is so cool. I can't believe it.
Okay. All right.
I can't believe it. This is great slime.
That's awesome, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Are you guys ready? Let's see. All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh no.
The lights.
Yeah, the lights. Go ahead, turn them off. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
You see, guys?
All right, are you ready? 1, 2, and... Ooh.
And look inside.
Look at that! Oh, it's awesome. Look at that, guys.
Yeah,
you guys see it?
guys.
Wow.
Look at
That
the
is
ball.
amazing.
Oh, there's a
All right,
little
we gotta
bit
turn
in there.
all the lights back on, right,
There's a
Maya?
little bit in there.
Ooh.
Look, guys.
All extra to make some creative things. All right, we gotta turn back the lights on.
Yeah.
Did you guys see it? I hope you
Yeah.
guys did, right, Maya?
Yeah. That's really cool. I love this gun.
Let's see how you play with it. Ooh.
Ooh.
Look at that.
You can see a light through it. Can you see my face?
No, not really.
And this is my anime video. I hope you enjoy it and subscribe to my channel. If you leave any comments down below, just subscribe.
Subscribe. And if you have any comments or anything to say about the slime, comment
down
below. Remember to give us a big thumbs up as well. And
ring the bell.
yeah.
And this is my anime video.
Bye, guys.